In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Windows 10 Media Creation tool. Whether you're upgrading your PC, doing a fresh install, or creating a bootable installation USB drive, this tool will help you accomplish that with ease. Let's dive right into the steps to get you set up in no time. First, you need to visit the official Microsoft Windows 10 download page. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Microsoft website. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on the genuine site to avoid any potential security risks or downloading problems. On the Microsoft site, they regularly provide the latest updates and downloads for Windows 10, ensuring you have access to what you need. Now, once you're on the page, you'll notice an option to download now. This button is prominently displayed, making it convenient for users to find it quickly. You should go ahead and click on this button. Doing so initiates the download process of the Media Creation tool. This step is crucial, as the Media Creation tool is essentially the software that handles the entire upgrade or installation process for Windows 10. It's designed to be user-friendly and reduces much of the complexity traditionally associated with operating system installations. After clicking the download button, the Media Creation Tool.exe file will start downloading to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file might be saved automatically to your default download location, typically the downloads folder, or you might be prompted to choose where you want it saved. In either case, make a note of where the file is saved, as you'll need to access this file to proceed with the installation process. Finding the file can sometimes be tricky if you're not familiar with your system's file management, but don't worry. You can typically locate it by checking your browser's download manager, which often has a quick access option to open the file directly from there. Once the download is complete and you've located Media Creation Tool.exe, you're one step closer. You'll need to double click the file to run it, initiating the setup process for whatever you intend to do, be it an upgrade, fresh install, or creating installation media. Keep in mind, running the tool often requires administrative permissions, which you may be prompted for depending on your computer's settings. It's a straightforward process from here on out, with the tool guiding you through the necessary steps to complete the setup. So, there you have it. With just these few simple steps, you've successfully downloaded the Windows 10 Media Creation tool. Remember, downloading from the official site ensures a secure and smooth experience. Now you're ready to take the next steps in updating or installing this powerful operating system. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful and easy to follow.